Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and also a review of a mini projector. And this is a projector that, it's like a regular projector, but the good thing about it is you could actually do like USB screen mirroring, but this is only for Apple devices. And then also wireless screen mirroring. And this thing you can do it with Apple and Google, which because it supports AirPlay, Miracast, and DLNA. And I'll show all the different specifications later on, but let's see what comes in the box so I could start with the review later on. And I'll put the model number and everything in the description as well. So this is a Crenova A9 smart home projector, and it has the quick user guide. There's the controller that comes with it, and this is the actual projector itself. It's tiny, it's small, and it's portable. And this is pretty cool because it charges and you can carry it anywhere you need to project anywhere you would like. And I believe it has like around a 2-hour time if it's fully charged. And then these are the accessories that come with it inside. Let's see what's inside. So it's the AC adapter. Let's see what else comes with it. And they give you an HDMI cable as well. So I'm going to be doing the review very soon along with this video so you could see all the features, what it can do. But this is the projector itself, and like I said, it's portable, so you could charge it and take it anywhere. And then also you could actually use it to charge your devices through the USB, so it's like a portable charger as well. Okay, so I have the mini projector all set up. I was doing a lot of work, so it's a low battery. I'm going to charge it, but I just wanted to show what it has. It has the focus on the side, and you can have a micro SD card, USB, and like I said, you can charge your devices from this. The DC is where you plug it into the wall, another USB cable, the HDMI, the headset, and then also you can connect it to Bluetooth. I connected it to my Bluetooth down there. And what it does have, it does come with Android. The version that it has is like 7.12 according to the manual, but it shows an option to update. It has 1 gig of RAM. It has an ARM Cortex quad-core 1.2 gigahertz CPU, 16 gigs of flash memory, and then the Wi-Fi is ABGN and AC. So that's pretty cool. And they could do wireless screen mirroring. Like I said, I have it connected to my phone, but the battery died. But I don't know if you can see here, I'm kind of recording on the background with my phone, the video itself, and it's actually showing. But I'm going to show a video connecting to the PC, because you could do it through Windows 10 PC, or I'm guessing, I don't know what other type of PCs as well, but you could do it with Android and Apple iOS as well. So let me go ahead and just charge the device and then get back in there so you can see. Okay, when you turn on the device, like I said, it's a smart projector, so it's like Android or whatever, or a smart TV. You have YouTube that comes with it, Netflix. It has all these apps that are already pre-installed on there. And like if you see, it has the iOS Mirror app, and then the eShare is for the PC, and then also for the Android as well. And you can see, let me go into the apps real quick. So, I went into YouTube, wrong one. These are the apps that are already pre-installed on there, but it does have the Play Store, which you can log into and then download even more stuff onto it. Like I said, the battery is low, so let me go ahead and charge it so I can work on it some more. Okay, and as you can see, the light is blue when it is fully charged. While it's charging, it's orange amber, an orange amber color. So let's go ahead and continue with the review. Okay, and in order to turn off the mini projector, you just press and hold the power button, and you let go, and you see how it says it's powering off. And I wanted to show also how it turns on. You just press and hold it, and it turns on. And then I wanted to see what it shows on the screen. So you can see the animation of it. It is a Crenova projector, so it has that brand on there. And then you go to the main menu as soon as this boots up. So I already did the projection with the cell phone. I have an Android phone, by the way. It's a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it easily connected, and it showed all the different movements from the phone itself. And now I'm gonna see if I can send the image up from the PC. Okay, and this is an image that I have streaming from my computer, which is on another part of the house. So I'm streaming right now from the PC. And this is a Windows 10 PC, by the way. And from here, basically, you can mirror or cast anything, you know, from your PC. And of course, you could do HDMI as well. But, you know, this is a really good mini projector. You know, you can use it for meetings at work. You can use it to transfer in other places outside. It's really good, you know what I mean? The app is the eShare app, and that's what I found on the Google Play Store. And then it also is available for the PC. So when you're turning on the projector, it'll give you instructions of where you go to on the projector as soon as you get the projector on your network. And from there, you'll be able to download the Windows PC version of it. Or if from your phone, you just go to the Google Play Store, download eShare from there and set it up. And then also from the iOS is the same thing. You're gonna do I think it's the AirPlay, so you'll be able to do the Miracast. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm not doing it that way. But from the PC, it works perfectly. Android works perfectly. And the projector is really, really nice. It's mobile, it's small, you could take it anywhere. And like I said, it has like roughly 2 hours of playtime. And you could actually use it to charge your devices, say a smartphone or tablet or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed my review. Go ahead and leave the comments. I'll leave the links on there as well in the description, so you can see, you know, where I bought it from in Amazon, and then all the features and everything that it has. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.